Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Brownjack. And today, my new family guard smoke alarm arrived. And that's just for privacy reasons, but... So here I got two of my first lot smoke alarms to compare it. Now, the family guard detector be based off this one since it has an LED in it. So yeah. And there. So yeah. And this one base has the same insides too, but slightly different. So yeah. And I also just got back from school, so now I'm going to open this box here. So now it's really difficult to open it. I'll just get some tape and open it. Scissors to open it, I meant. There we go. Now I am getting this box open now. There we go. And there we go. There it is. There's the alarm. Oh. I damaged the box. Oh wait, did I? You see, come on, get out of this stupid box. There, yes. Oh, I damaged the box slightly, but here it is. It's a family guard smoke alarm. Now, get all of these packaging out of the way. So here it is, my family guard smoke alarm. So here. Now I just see if I can use this box. There we go. Now I'm going to open it. So let's see. Battery operated and simple to fit. Supplied with battery and fittings, a 2-year guarantee. So, no, I heard back then these were extremely popular. So I don't think you can open the box from there. I think that's just going to open it from this side. There it is. Now just going to cut the tape. Now let's open it. So first of all, you get your mounting screws. And let's pull it out. And there, there it is. And there's the instruction manual. Now here's the alarm. Oh gee. It's a bit filthy. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it's just wiggled up, but I'll get this cleaned up. Let's open it. Oh, jeepers. The battery had exploded. So I need to get, just give me a second guys. So I just got back. I just went downstairs to clean out the detector because that was really bad. It was on the cover and stuff, so there's some markings, And I might explain why I solved that from battery explosion, but anyways, let's open it and see. So this is basically based off the first alert seal. See? Now first alert made a version of this alarm here with an LED in it, just like this one, and well, this is from the 80s, and that's from the 90s, and this is from, I think this was from 2008. So yeah. So now I'm going to stick a battery into the family guard alarm now. like get the cover close in this. There. Now we're going to get the battery. The battery now. So let's power it up. So hopefully it works. So there's my battery. Now we're going to stick it in. There we go. So that was really high pitched. So let's close the cover. And let's test it in 3, 2, 1. So there you go. And there's also an LED on this seal. So see it blinking. So yeah. Also the covers on these are textured. Here's the label on the back. It's actually a FG888L. So it is. So let's just put this here and have a look at the manual. So here's the manual. Has a bit of staining on it. Don't know if that's from the battery explosion or what, but no. Let's see. So see if I can open this. So there's the manual, and there you go. So let's read it. So here's the basic information about the smoke alarm. Put smoke alarm outside of every bedroom area and every floor of your home. Put the smoke alarm close to the center of ceiling as possible. The smoke alarm will beep when you put battery in it. Indicate the light on. The smoke alarm flashes once a minute. The smoke alarm is reviving power from the battery. No. Test the smoke alarm weekly by holding the test button in for about 10 seconds until the alarm sounds. The horn may not sound immediately when you press the button. Replace battery and smoke alarm once it beeps a minute. So oops. So here's your other basic information. Here's the areas where you should put your smoke alarm. Bedroom, dining room, living room, and hall, outside of sleeping areas. So here's the big key here saying smoke alarms for minimum security, which is the basement, living room, hallway, and bedroom. And this is for maximum protection, where you have 2 other smoke alarms in the bedrooms. Now here's some more information about it. So basically it says you should have it in the center of the ceiling, or as close to the center of the ceiling. And that's the acceptable location there. Now it says dead air space there, so probably there's not much air there. And these are recommended areas for your smoke alarm. So here's the other thing here. So these are the areas where you should put. So here says correct where to put your smoke alarms, and here says incorrect. So I'm guessing this. Oh yeah. So it says air return, and there's a stove from the kitchen. So I'm guessing that would be a conditioning unit, something that would suck the air out. And now here's a diagram of inside the detector. Keyhole, mounting slots, 9-volt battery, alarm horn, sensing chamber, detector base, test button, cover latches, indication light, not on some models. Now the reason it says not on some models because there's a rarer version of this which has a white test button on it. Now one of my dad's friends up at town, in his house, he has 2 BRK86 ICs in his house, and one of these near the kitchen, and it's quite a big old townhouse. and has a white test button on it. So now let's just continue. Now let's see if there's any information here. So you can read the rest of this. Now here says what to do when there's a fire in home. If you made a family escape plan and practiced it with your family, you have increased the chances of escaping safely. Go over the following laws that will teach your children needs time. You have 5 drills. This would help everyone remember in case of an emergency. A. Don't panic, stay calm. Your safe escape may depend on thinking carefully and remembering what you have practiced. B. Get out of the house quickly as possible. Follow a planned escape route. Do not stop to collect anything or to get dressed. 3. Feel the doors, see if they are hot. If they are hot, then carefully open them carefully. Do not open the door if it is hot. Use an entrance escape route. D. Stay close to the floor. Smoke and hot gases rise. E. Cover your nose and mouth. Wet if it's possible. Take short, shallow breaths. Keep doors and windows F. Keep doors and windows closed. Open only if have 2 orders escape. G. Meet at your planned meeting place after leaving the house. So, H. Call the fire brigade as soon as possible from outside your house. Give address and your name. And I. Never go back inside a burning building. Contact the local fire brigade. They will give you more ideas about how to make your home safer from home fires and plan your family's escape. Now there's the manual. And here's a guarantee. Oh yeah. Also, these are rebranded by BRK Electronics, so they are, and probably that's a date, 1991, probably, and printed in USA. So yeah. So there's the manual. Now it's time to compare the alarms to each other. Just give another test for you guys. So there you go. So now let's open the covers of these. Now I'm going to put the batteries in these to compare the sound of it. So now let's see if this can fit in. So there you go, guys. So now I'm just going to close the covers up. So yeah. So first, let's compare to these. So basically, the cover on this is textured obviously, and this is the same for this. And the backs of them look quite familiar, but a bit different. Now the insides of them are mostly the same, but this one has a black circuit board, looks like, and this one, and the family guard detector has a red circuit board, so it is. And this detector here has a texture cover as well, and has fence here. So basically circuit board, and this one is green, not blue I meant. So let's test them and see. So let's do this one first. So first thing you notice, this one pulses slower compared to this one. And this is much more high pitched. And I'm going to test this one for you guys. So I think these two sounds a bit the same. So yeah. So just for you guys, I'm going to test 3 of them at the same time. So, in 3, 2, 1. So there you go, guys. So just give you one more test just for it. There you go. So hope you enjoyed that unboxing video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye. I also forgot to just show you the box. So here it is. Family Guard smoke alarm. Battery operated, simple to fit, and supplied with battery and fixings and 2-year guarantee. So here's the back. Protect your family with Family Guard. The Family Guard smoke alarm is made, don't know how to put it out, but made to electronic instrument and carries the British standard Kmart symbol, and it is designed to give your family early warning, protection of fire in home, and so give you a peace of mind. Requires no connection to mains electricity. It's powered by 9-volt battery supplied and easily installed alarms by means of 2 screws supplied. And now I'm going to show you what the main smoke alarm looks like. Let's have over here my smoke alarm detection box. So here's the mains powered smoke alarm. You can see. Now this is from 2002, so this was about 11 years later compared to this, but a mains powered smoke alarm would have pins on it and would have a green light on it. So now let's see. Where to fit Family Guard smoke alarm? It is advised that he fits smoke alarms on each level of the building for maximum protection. Hand smoke and should be fit to each room of the the building, upset kitchens and bathrooms. I'm guessing this is the price tag label, probably it's just in the shop or something. So, hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Bye.